powerful is Iran's Revolutionary Guard? Short answer, it's not just a military force. It is a state within a state. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, the IRGC, answers directly to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. It controls missiles. It runs intelligence networks. It commands foreign militias. It owns massive businesses. And now, the European Union has labelled it a terrorist organization over its role in crushing protests and fueling regional violence. Born out of the 1979 Islamic Revolution, the Guard was created to protect Iran's clerical system from internal and external enemies. Over time, it grew alongside the regular army but never became equal to it. The IRGC became more political, more ideological, and far more powerful. The turning point came after the Iran-Iraq War. Instead of being disbanded, the Guard was allowed to enter business. That decision transformed it into an economic empire. Today, it controls Khatam al-Anbiya, a giant conglomerate involved in construction, energy, ports, telecom, mining, and infrastructure. From highways to airports to pipelines, the Guard's fingerprints are everywhere. Billions of dollars flow through companies linked to it. Militarily, the IRGC controls Iran's ballistic missile program, the backbone of Tehran's deterrence strategy. It also operates drones, naval swarms in the Persian Gulf, cyber units, and elite special forces. No major Iranian military operation happens without IRGC oversight. Abroad, the Guard's Quds Force runs Iran's network of armed allies, often called the Axis of Resistance. It trains and equips Hezbollah in Lebanon, supports Hamas and Palestinian Islamic Jihad, backs the Houthis in Yemen, and arms militias in Iraq and Syria. These groups give Iran reach far beyond its borders without direct war. Western intelligence agencies say the IRGC has also planned assassinations, kidnappings, and surveillance operations overseas, using criminal networks and proxies. The Guard denies this, but arrests linked to such plots keep surfacing. Inside Iran, the IRGC controls the Basij militia, a paramilitary force used to police society. During protests, Basij units deploy with batons, rifles, and pellet guns. They raid homes, beat demonstrators, and flood the streets. When the regime feels threatened, the Guard becomes a front-line enforcer. Recent wars have hit the IRGC hard. Israeli strikes have killed senior commanders, destroyed missile sites, and degraded air defenses. Fall of Bashar al-Assad in Syria removed a key ally. But even weakened, the Guard remains Iran's most powerful institution. That is why Europe's terrorist designation matters. It targets not just a force, but the backbone of Iran's political, military, and economic power. The IRGC is not simply guarding the revolution anymore. It is the revolution's muscle, wallet, and shield. With Rishika Aradhya, Bureau Report, India Today Global.